Welcome to Lifestyle You Love with Young Bros. This is a space where I share real lessons that I truly believe everyone needs, especially if you have ever felt lost, unsure of yourself, or wonder where to even begin in life. I believe everything starts with purpose. Growing up, the girl lacked confidence and had low self-esteem. She cried every day and didn't know where to start in her life. At 16-year-old, she left home, feel isolated and unsure how to speak up or connect with people. But at 19-year-old, she'd opened her first hair salon in Vietnam with purpose that helped her parents retire earlier. The girl ran her business from a small city to a bigger city, Ho Chi Minh City. She won multiple competitions, worked with celebrities, television, and film, and led a team of 8 people. The girl left Vietnam and moved to Australia. She barely spoke English. She became one of the highest paid in the hair industry. The girl couldn't speak English and struggled with pronunciation. People laughed at her. Now she confidently to speak on stage with 800 people in Australia. And that girl was me. I create the lifestyle I truly love, not because life was easy, but because I chose to live with purpose. And now through this podcast, I want to help you to do the same. If you feel this message could help you, please share this podcast with your friends or family. You never know whose life it changed. Welcome back. Today we talk about why blonde turns brassy and what hairstylists must understand first. Most hairstylists think blonde turn brassy because of toner, but honestly, that is not the real problem. And if you keep believing that, your client will keep coming back unhappy. Your confidence will keep dropping. And no toner in the world will fix it. Because the real problem starts long before the toner touches the hair. So, let me share with you my true story. And honestly, I know this because I used to believe exactly the same thing. I used to think like, maybe it's just the toner, maybe it's the shampoo, or maybe it's just the water in area, or maybe it's just the client's hair. So every time a blonde turned warm again, I blamed the products. But deep down, I was losing confidence. Clients would message me, "It's gone yellow again. It is still brassy." And some clients never came back. Some quietly went somewhere else. And honestly, that is feel hurt as a hairstylist. Because you actually care. You want your client to feel beautiful. At one point, I truly believed it was impossible to create creamy blonde consistently without brassiness. Because that's what the industry teaching us blonde takes 5 sessions. Damage is normal. Just tone it again. Use more ash. Until one day, I realized the problem was never just the toner. The problem starts underneath the hair before toning. And that's changed everything for me. So, industry teach you have to go slow to be safe. Do it over 5 sessions. Half the tones now will fit this, or just add ash or purple shampoo. And hairstylists end up trapped in the circle of brassiness, uneven lifting, dry hair, unhappy clients, discounting prices, losing confidence. And the worst part, most hairstylists blamed themselves, but nobody taught them what actually create clean, creamy blonde result in the first place. So what happened when blonde keep turning brassy? It is not just warm hair. It becomes emotional. Your client looks in the mirror and said, "It is still orange." Then you feel that sinking feeling in your stomach. You start overthinking. Did I use the wrong toner? Should I redo it? Will she complain? Will she come back? And after a while, you stopped charging confidently. You hated it during the consultation. You lower your price. You avoid difficult blonde clients. And some hairstylists even start questioning if they are actually good enough. And that breaks my heart because many hairstylists are talented. They just never understood the real rules. Cause the truth is, the most of educators focus on toner formulas, trendy colors, quick social media transformation. But very few people teach underlying pigment, level of lift, hair history, saturation, sectioning, or processing. When hair is actually ready for tone. So hairstylists keep trying new toners, new products, new purple shampoo, while the real issues were happening before the whole time. Maybe you have already tried ash toner after ash toner, blue shampoo, purple shampoo, strong developer, different brand, toner twice, low light to hide the warm, sparing appointment to closer together, and maybe sometimes it's worked temporary, but then the warmth came back again because the brassiness is actually not the toner problem, it's the foundation the problem. This is what hairstylists must understand first. You cannot tone anyway a foundation that wasn't lived probably. If the hair lifts unevenly, if the warmth is still sitting inside the hair, if saturate wasn't consistent, if old color is still trapped underneath, the toner has nothing clean to work on. And this is why some blonde look expensive, soft, clean, creamy, while others fade warm quickly. And I want to say something important here. If you are a hairstylist, listen to this right now. You are not fearful. Most hairstylists were simply never taught blonde deeply enough. They was taught formulas, not understanding. And once you understand what happened underneath the hair, everything changed. Your confidence changed. Your consultation changed. Your pricing changed. And your clients trust you differently. So this is why inside GP International Hair Academy, I focus deeply on foundation, predictable lifting, clean, creamy blonde result, low maintenance blonde, understanding why not just copy the formula, because once you understand the system, you stop hoping, you start knowing, and that's changed everything. So if you are tired of blonde turning brassy or feeling nervous every time your blonde client checks the mirror, I create the free guide to help you to understand foundation behind clean, creamy blonde result. You can check the link in the show note below or in description below.